The TangenDx SARS CoV-2 assay is a point-of-care molecular test using patient and nasopharyngeal swab samples. To begin, input the patient information in your system. Remove the cap from the Tangen sample buffer tube and mix the patient swab up and down in the sample buffer 10 times. Discard the swab and replace the cap on the tube. Peel the 2D barcode from the top of the tube and place it on top of the LVC cap. Next, place the LVC cap onto the plastic cap holder and remove the seal from the LVC cap. Remove the cap from the Tangen sample buffer tube with the patient specimen. Transport 400 microliters of fluid from the tube to the LVC cap using the 400 microliter exact volume transfer pipette. Discard the pipette and screw the cap onto the tube. Discard the tube. Place the LVC over the filled cap and screw the LVC onto the cap. Tighten the LVC using the tightener. Bring the cap holder with the capped LVC assembly to the GeneSpark instrument. In the event of processing multiple patient samples, place the individual capped LVC assembly on an LVC rack and then bring the rack to the GeneSpark instrument. Slide the latch open and lift the disc housing cover of the instrument. Load the Tangen SARS CoV-2 assay disc onto the instrument by firmly pushing the disc onto the circular disc mount. The disc will audibly click when attached to the disc mount. Scan the 8-digit kit lot barcode found on the disc label, and then scan the 4-digit assay ID barcode found on the disc label. Close the disc housing cover. At the time when the instrument prompts the Enter Sample ID, then place the capped LVC assembly with tip side down into the disc housing cover. Scan the 2D barcode on the cap of the LVC assembly and slide the instrument latch closed. Start the instrument run by pushing the right-hand button showing Press to Start. The instrument screen will indicate when the run is complete. The result of the run will then appear on the display screen. Record the result in the study procedure datasheet for analytical procedures before exiting the screen. Press the Done button to exit the results screen. There will be a notification on the screen asking, "Are you sure you want to exit?" Press Yes. To clean up, open the latch and remove the LVC assembly from the instrument. Discard the LVC assembly. Open the housing cover and remove the assay disc from the instrument. Discard the assay disc. To learn more about Tangen's point-of-care SARS CoV-2 assay, visit TangenBioscience.com.